The American seal is in the water. Wanagi just loves swimming. So that's Cebu Island over there. And yeah, we're here just near Dumaguete and just hanging out. We just ate breakfast, or late lunch breakfast, Wanagi too, and we're just cooling off, relaxing, having fun, swimming in the water. Over here, come on bud. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, she's just having fun. She loves swimming. Good girl, buddy. Good girl. Stay. Hey, where are you going? Oh, that was nice. Hey, stay here. You gotta stay here. I know. Anyway, so we're just hanging out. There's actually a hot springs up here in a town called Valencia, and then a waterfall, maybe 2 waterfalls, but I think, and then a thing called, well, the American name is Twin Lakes. There's 2 lakes up there. Hey, come back over here. There's 2 lakes over there up in the mountains, and it's a little bit cooler, and but you can't actually swim in the water, so I don't think we'd do the lakes, but we definitely might do the waterfall and the hot springs, although they may not let her in the hot springs, but that's okay. It's up in the mountains. She can rest. She'll be tired after swimming here. And then our next set is Dumaguete, is literally like 13 kilometers that way. And there's actually, we can catch a ferry just over here, like maybe 4 kilometers. That'll take us right over here to Cebu. And then we can drive all the way around Cebu Island. There's great beaches, especially on the other side. And just check that out too. Maybe spend a couple days over there before we head, I think, Bohol Island, and then what is the name? Sikora, the magic island? What's the name of that?
I don't know what is it.
Sikor Island or Sikior? That's it. Yeah. So the other one was the Sikior Island, which has like medicine people up in the mountains, magic. It's kind of known as an enchanted island. There's a 400-year-old tree there that has a pond right below the tree area, and you put your feet in the pond, and there's fish will come up and nibble at your feet, kind of clean your feet. Crazy. But yeah, I think that's what we're gonna check out, and we'll let you know the next spot we head to. But today we're just spending this down here, bunch of local kids, and then down here swimming off of this old pier piling thing. Water is just like so clear, it's beautiful. You can see the colors. It goes like emerald green out to dark blue out there, but just beautiful. And yeah, so I guess that's it. Peace out.
Give it all, we can work it out. You can move around and I'll quiet down. Give it all, we can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it out. Give it all, we can work it out. You can move your mouth and I'll make the sounds. Give it all, we can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it out. You held my hand, said I was better, took me to bed, then called your mother. Give it all, we can work it out. You can take it all, I won't make it sound. Give it all, we can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it on. Tell me what you want. I'll be anything you need. Give me all your love, then take it back from me. Light that fire, walk away, 'cause you know me. Say, tell me what you want. I'll give you anything you need. Give it all, we can work it out. You can take it all, I won't make it sound. Give it all, we can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it on. You held my hand, said I was better. Give it all, we can work it out. We can work it out. We can work it. Tell me what you want. I'll be anything you need. Give me all your love, then take it back from me. Light that fire, walk away, 'cause you know me. Say, tell me what you want. I'll give you anything you need. You held my
That's a good dude.
Tell me what you want.
Hi, sorry, mouthful of chips. Anyways, we got, this is actually charcoal I bought up in the mountains. You can see they made it, and we got that going. And then I bought half of a tuna. I think it's probably, I don't know what kind of tuna, but we're gonna throw it on the grill. And then I got some peppers, some onions, and a tomato to probably cut up and put on top of the fish while it's cooking. And then I'm gonna probably use this. It's one of the ramen things. One of these things right here. It's a ultra big double ramen. But what it is it's what's the flavor? Oh, it's a calamansi, which is this little like green, looks almost like a mini lime you'd get in Mexico or something, but it's actually a combination of like tangerine and lime. And this is what this is. It's kind of a salt mix for the soup, but I figured I'd sprinkle this on that fish because that'd be probably a pretty good dry rub on there, and it'd go well with the fish and stuff. So, and then we've got some organic red rice in here. We'll do on our little camp stove. So we'll have some fish and rice for dinner. And Wanagi's just kicking, watching, make sure I don't make any mistakes. And that's it. Yeah, peace. So I'm using my headlight. I just wanted to show you the fish. Check it out. Big old piece of tuna. I basically cut up some green peppers, hot, kind of spicy. They're not terribly hot, but they're pretty good. A little heat to them. I put that salt, kind of the stuff out of that ramen pack with the tangerine lime flavored. Anyways, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I just wanted to show you the fish with the onions on it, and it's just cooking away, and we're just gonna slow cook it on there. And it's cooking right away. Get a little bit, but get done. And then we got our rice cooking in here. Slow. I'll probably end up burning the rice. I'll probably end up burning the rice, but that's okay anyways. And Wanagi's just hanging out in here with all the mosquitoes, because they're just fucking, excuse my French, but there are mosquitoes to all hell here. So we're gonna end up having to drive around with the windows down before we go to bed. Then we'll come back in here and put the screens up. I'm probably getting bit too right now, so anyways. Yeah, it's ferry time again. We're on a ferry we're just north of Dumaguete, another port, Tampi port, I think it's what it's called, T-A-M-P-I. And we're headed to Cebu, which is probably like maybe 30 minutes or something like that. I don't even think that far. So, but anyways, we were one of the last vehicles to get on. There's one more vehicle coming, I think. And then that's it. We'll be over on Cebu Island. We'll have to find a place to crash tonight, but it's not that late now. Might be 7:30 or something like that, not too late. So we'll find something, maybe a beach somewhere, who knows. So right on, another ferry trip. Woo! Yeah, hey, so what is the falls called we're going to?
Again, Waterfalls.
Yeah. Multi-levels. All sorts of craziness is gonna go on right now. We had to leave Wanagi in the car.
Yeah, but before that we have an explanation about waterfalls, also ordinance. Alright, so first I will explain allow me to government, including the maintenance fee, environmental fee, entrance fee, LGU share. So it includes for the 150 pesos for that, and then another 150 pesos is for the organization, for us as a guide, including the helmet, like jacket and shoes. Alright, so this is our Guinea Waterfalls ordinance. So there's some part here which is like
the nice nature walk. The last waterfall I went to, Cobra
Cobra, where?
in the water. Yeah, on the way. Yeah, it was,
Oh, okay,
it was like, whoa, hey. Yeah. So hopefully no cobras today.
I hear no cobra.
Yeah, we're just cruising. Wow, look at the water. Nice and clear. We should get some good footage of some nice pools this time. Looks like a calcite in the water or something. Maybe that's what that is. Why the rocks are kind of a white color. Mineral content, because everything here is pretty volcanic. And there is hot springs around. I don't know if on this island, but wow, look at this. Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Awesome. Woo, right up that one. Look at these pools, they're beautiful. Aqua color. And it's just a series of tiers going up here. Pretty cool. Look at that. Oh. Woo! Yeah. Cheers. Wow. Okay. Yes, sir. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So swim? Yeah.
Oh, jumping into shallow.
Yeah.
You can enjoy the waterfalls.
Yeah. It's cold. Rio, it's cold. Woo, look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Amazing. Woo. Pretty cool. There's my guides, the boys. Big overhanging rock, cliff face. Wow, look at that. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to be climbing up this part, so I'm going to put the camera away. So I got all fours on it, but I just thought I'd show you. Can I walk there? Yeah, just to look at. Look at this. And it keeps going up that way and then up this way. So we'll be climbing to the top of this now. And I'm going to put the camera away because I don't want to fall. Right on, thanks, Rod. Perfect, thank you. Yeah. It was awesome, right up there. It always looks farther down from the top than it does from the bottom, but awesome. Level 3. The mineral content's amazing. Oh, look at the falls up ahead. So beautiful. Come on, let's go! Oh yeah? Do I need one? I think, huh? Right on. Channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and leave comments down below because I'd like to hear from you. I'm taking a shower because my guide said I smell. Yeah. Woo! Thanks, guys. Yeah. I hope. Grotto. Look at that, like a little limestone grotto in there. Pretty cool. Oh, perfect. Thanks, bro. Look at that. Just amazing. Beautiful. Oh, look at that tree. Wow. Just a big old tree. Tourists suck. Tourists suck.
Yeah, sometimes.
Bad. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look, look at the lizard on that rock right in front of us.
It's a Philippine iguana.
Philippine iguana.
Iguana, yeah. The name's in America. Iguana.
Yeah, in Mexico they have iguana. Big iguanas. He's just running and look at that. Woo! Yeah! Look at this nice pool. Beautiful. Shallow.
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! All right, here we go. Yeah, brother. Yeah. Yeah, here, I'll go do one more time.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks, bud. Thank you, buddy. Yeah. Next is level 5. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Look how amazing this is up here. Just Philippines, beautiful, amazing, like the waterfalls. This is why we came here, to see the natural beauty here. Look at this. Kind of a grotto cave up under in there. It's just amazing. Right on. Another one down. Right on, guys. Thank you. Nice. And then just up. So amazing, so stoked I did this. I go in?
Yeah.
Okay.
And with the right side.
Yeah. Push it in. Pretty amazing. Climb in, but it'll soak a little bit in the water. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at that. That's powerful there. And we're going to be climbing right up through there. Last part. Almost like stalactites and stalagmites from all the minerals coming down in the water, just building up over the years. And viney, look at this, this is really cool. Really plant going right out. It's amazing, beautiful. Right on. Look at that. It's amazing.
The last part, the level 8. So after that, that's your decision.
Yeah, yeah.
Keep going back down, or there is an easiest way, which is walk only.
Yeah.
But before that, enjoy.
Alright. One more dip here, guys. Are you ready? We're going to go under. Look at that. It's okay? Right on. Perfect. Okay, so this is the last one. Last one. Oh, it's a long way to go. So that's it, folks. Thanks for joining us, and we'll be back for another adventure. One second. Hey, so that completes the journey. We came out at the top of the waterfalls up here, 8 levels. Amazing. Hope you enjoy that video. Into a great coconut grove up in the mountains, Cebu Island. Beautiful. So we're headed back down on the road. make it easy. And I got to get back. Nagi's in the truck, so I felt bad. I didn't want to leave her. She's going to be grumpy, but we'll go swimming in the ocean. She'll have fun, or maybe find a river or something on the island. She can have a good time today. I'll make it up to her. So remember the dragon fruit we were seeing at the last one of the campsites we were at? I think it was Mindoro, and the flowers were here, but here's the fruit. Look at those beautiful pieces of fruit here. These big, amazing, pretty cool.